Sanibonani, ngiyanibingelela balandeli nababuki bomthala TV. Lo okhulumayo uThabisile wakwaShangase, uchair lady we-organization ebizwa ngoTEXA, omele uTownship and Rural Economic Commission of South Africa. Namhlanje ke ziwu-8 kuMeyi sila eHighflats. SiwuTEXA, sihamba nethimba imedia sizolontsha iroute ye-tourism. Njengoba sazi ukuthi phela kuza isikhathi se-tourism indaba kulezi insuku ezimbalwa ezizayo, sizolontsha iroute esiyibiza nge-Pass4 ngoba phela uTEXA ukulomkhankaso wokuvula iminyango for abantu abamnyama, ukuletha iminyango evulekile ezindaweni zabantu abahlelelekile ukuthi bakwazi ukungena kulomkhakha we-tourism. Namhlanje uma silake, uma ngabe ubukhona mbukeli ekhaya ubone ubuhle bukhona kule ndawo. Njengoba ngikhuluma nawe nje ngiza kuwena ngikwa short left eHighflats. Beautiful place. Into ekukhombisa ukuthi umuntu omnyama unayo icapacity yokuthi enze into ibe yinhle ithandeke. Siphakamisa tourism eindaweni ezisemakhaya. Siyeza nakuwena mbukele endaweni yangakini. Sifuna lezi zinto lezi ezisenza sihluke ebantwini. Lezi zinto ezenza abantu bafisa ukuzobona ezindaweni esihlala kuzona ukuthi siphila kanjani. Iyona phela itourism leyo. SiwuTEXA nethimba. Sihamba ke iKZN yonke, sihambe sivumbulula lezi zinto. Siyathuntutha, siyaqhakambisa, siyaveza, sithi hooray. Tourism ayibe yinto esiyiphilayo in the rural areas ngoba tourism is one of our industries ezoletha intuthuko ezindaweni zethu emakhaya. Sifisa ukubona emakhaya ama tourists efika ezolala endlini esilala kuzona. Ama Rondavels ayikho into wrong ngeRondavel. Sifisa ukubona izindawo ziqhakanjiswa ezinemifula, amathafa, izintaba namagquma, imigede, konke lokho. Yiko lokho kwenza ukuthi iKwaZulu Natal yethu ibe yinhle. Ngiza kuwena mbukeli, ngila short left Highflats Pass4 route, iroute esiyilontshayo le. Join us for more ngoba le yi-start and elite. Ngiyabonga.
Sanibonani, igama lami nginoxolo Mkhize. Lana sise short left. I-short left is a family owned business. La e-short left sinendawo la kwashwa khona imoto, phinde futhi kube nendawo yokushisa inyama, siphinde futhi sibe nezindawo zokulala, siphinde futhi sibe nezindawo zokuhlala mangabe umsebenzi osuka kude uzosebenza khona ngapha endaweni yethu okuthiwa iHighflats. Izinto esizenzayo ke e-short left ngale nje ukuthi kuyalalwa, kudliwa inyama, sibuye senze nawo futhi ke ama-events. Sigxile kakhulu ukwenzela ama-events aqondene nabantwana la baye bafike khona sibe nawo nje wonke ama-games ayinhlobonhlobo ukuthi abantwana nabo bakwazi ukuthi bajabule, abazali babe nayo indawo eseduzane emphakathini yokuletha abantwana babo makuvalwa izikole ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bazochitha khona isizungu kunokuthi baze bahambe indawo baye kude njengasewulwandle ngoba kuyabiza nokusuka la mangabe uya ngapha ngaseThekwini. Sase sibone ukuthi asisondeze indawo yabantwana. Siyajabula kakhulu ke nathi ukuthi sithole ithuba lokuthi sibe ingxenye yomsebenzi omuhle kangaka weroute le elontshwayo namhlanje okuyi-Pass4 route. Sizizwa nje sibaluleke kakhulu, sizizwa sijabule kakhulu, kuyintokozo kakhulu nathi ukuthi indawo yethu isizokwazi ukuthi ibe kwi-map, abantu sebezokwazi kabanzi ngayo. Akusezokugcina nje ngokuthi umuntu uma uthi umtshela ngeHighflats aqala azibuza ukuthi konje kuphi lapho, usezokwazi nje ukuthi konje kunomlando owenzeka lapho ngenxa yakhe yayo iroute le elontshwayo. Siyathemba ukuthi maningi namanye asazovela ngoba umlando wethu impela unothe kakhulu futhi umkhulu. Ngiyabonga.
Igama lami nguTim wakaDennis waseHluthankungu eJPP. I'm a member of the CTO of JPP, and this has been a very great day for us today to receive a delegation all the way from Durban who've come to see the attractions that we have to offer for the discerning tourist. Today we are launching the Pass 4 Liberation Tour route. This is one of many offerings that we have. We are very much part of rural tourism. So with all that goes with it, for example, we've got great scenic views from our high mountains of the area. We've got diverse communities, diverse cultures. We've got wildlife and many, many more interesting things. So today is the first of many offerings that we are showcasing, and we look forward to showing you more. We would like also to take this opportunity to invite investors into all these attractions that we have here. But also we want to invite more tourists to come and see what we have to offer here. Everyone is welcome. Ngiyabonga.
Our Facebook page, it's Short Left Car Wash and Shisanyama. That's our Facebook page, as well as TikTok, Short Left Car Wash and Shisanyama. Thank you.
Ngijabula kakhulu nami ukunibona nifika phakathi kwe-Short Left. I-Short Left lena indala yaqala yayiqothaza izalelo ezandleni zami isarana uMr. Tim. Wathatha uMr. Tim webuyisela emndenini wakaMkhize. Angeke nginabe kakhulu, kuyangijabulisa enhlizweni yami ukubona ukuthi kuhambe kwahamba sikho emidlalweni kuhambe kwahamba kwaze kufika la.
Kuyavela ngala.
Ngajabula nami ngambona naye umsunguli wento ekhona. Ngiyajabula kakhulu sengathi ke kuzo zonke izifiso esizifisayo siyi-Short Left ngoba la i-Short Left sine-car wash, sine-Shisanyama, ikhona ilokhuzana abafuna ukulala bayaza bazolala, ama-rentali, ikhona ile private school ngale, akhona ama-office asemahlathini, iyenza izinto ey'ningi nje. Kukhona sinayo nendawo ye-space, ama-makeup ube muhle, ufake inzipho, wenze yonke into. Amakhono maningi la ngaphakathi. Siyajabula kakhulu masifikela abantu abakanjena bazokwazi ukuthi basisuse la basibeke la. Ngiyabonga lapha.
Siyabonga.
Sanibonani okhuluma uWesley Maramiro, ngisekela sihlalo ngobukhosi abasemazizini la kwenye indawo ngala ePlain Hill bathe emaweni ukhosi bakhona iphethwe uNkosi MJ Dlamini Mzizi. Shuthi usisithabile sisuka kude naye before sihlala waTexa ngifika ngezinye inkampani yakhe ezofuna indawo zokutshala. So from lapho sane relationship naye as ukhosi basemazizini sadevelop ngesifuno kahle kahle saze savula iMPC ubumana lamazizi MPC. Sifuna ukuthi sibuyisele iculture endaweni zethu ngoba abantwana bajoyina ukuya boThekwini bayofuna amadlela ahlazi kodwa ibe khona i-country yethu ngenkingeni ibe khona umhlaba. So sifuna ukubuyisela lokho ku-agriculture no-agri-processing nama-roots wendawo from different cultures ngoba khona amazizi amaZulu kule ndawo amabhaca.
Now we
So
have
khona
Abesuthu.
bonke bakhona kule ndawo. So sifuna ukuvusa lokho we-culture ne-agriculture sibafundisa abantwana endaweni zethu la ukuthi awudingi ukuya emadolobheni uyokubhalisa amadolobheni bebe khona imali emhlabathini. Ilokho esifuna ukwenza bese sifuna ukwenza ne-agri-processing plant la ezojika khona isikhathi imbili etshale emakhaya wabantu siwenze imilimili ojam nama-orange ngoba sinayo futhi indawo engala eCarrisbrook bayenza ama-orange so bayi-importa le-phesheya. So sifuna ukuthatha lokho ama-orange lezinto siwakhe ojami senze nama-macadamia nuts akhona la peanut butter konke lokho esifisa ukwenza ekugcineni nekuphumelela konke lokho ne-tourism. Sinazo indawo khona umfulo enkulu ngasekhaya sifuna ukwenza lokho e-tourism abantu bafike bahlale endaweni enza ama-hike into ezinjalo. Ngiyabonga.
Promote what we have. I mean, through maybe the education, the sport, we can always, work with the school to promote tourism, whereby we take the kids, those who are involved in agriculture and so on, then we turn into a tourism destination, and then we'll be able to visit certain places. When the time of Umhlanga, where there are girls, we can always, as well to groom them there. We look at these places where you said it's available here for attraction, then we develop something. Something like the Table Mountain. You know how Table Mountain, you can even create a cable car here for the attraction. There's also something that, because I was exposed as well in some certain business, there is a whale washing. I have a friend who actually has a license with Market. That business is stopping there. They haven't started since the COVID. I think there's 2 years left now. And then she's in Cape Town because her husband passed on the time of the COVID. So what is happening? The license is still active. They want to establish a whale washing in the Market. And from here in Market, you can establish something which will work with that. You know how many boats that are in Devon. Then you have to find out to have a boat that is going to take that business, so then you can have people around, and you create this destination of visiting another place. I believe a lot of things that need to be done, it can be done. But to look in the government that does not come around so far, because those people are lazy to come and do something. But if you do something by yourself, we rather bring a private investor on board, so then they can, because there are people. You mentioned even in Tanzania where you went, So we can always work with other provinces. I know Kenya as well, they come up with safari thing of those motorbike in the sea. Those are things that you can combine. Indonesia tried before COVID, they also wanted to come to Richards Bay and to invest money. So it means you can have always, if you create something that's attraction, then it can actually come up with something. For the round 2 years, I will make it sure that the princess, she will come here because she would love really to see such thing. She's very enthusiastic and interested, to be part of the stories. Thank you.
Thank you.